Welcome to Baluchi Zone. In today's lesson, we'll explore three different ways of saying am in Baluchi. Saying I am James in Baluchi would translate to man Jameson, man Jameson, man Jameson. As you can observe, am translates as un, and on. This is a regional and dialect matter. However, all three different versions are accurate. The first version with on happens to be the most common used variation, as is always used in written publications. So choose the version you prefer. Lastly, there's a similar case study when it comes to the pronoun of you, which translates to to, ta, taro, tao, taron, or even taon. Not to mention shoma, which is often translated as you guys or you lot. Let's do an example. A simple sentence like I love you or I do love you can be translated to many different ways thanks to the various versions of the you pronoun. Man to doest bi. Man ta doest bi. Man taro doest bi. Man tao doest bi. Man taron doest bi. Man taon doest bi. Again, all versions are correct, and they only differ due to the regional dialects and how the pronoun of you is pronounced in each region. Personally, I was raised with ta and to versions, but for the sentence like I love you, I prefer the taron or taon versions as they are more poetic.